Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do an update on the leather seat restoration on my Ferrari 308. One of my subscribers, Tim, suggested that I take it out in the sun, put some of the product in, the leatheric that I used in the last video, and then use some large plastic garbage bags to cover the seat so that then it will penetrate into the leather under the sun for a while. So I'm gonna do that now and show you how to do it. As you can see here, the product after a week of application is still very wet. There are some areas where it definitely has penetrated. I can feel it already a little bit softer. Maybe it's wishful thinking from my part, but I'm gonna take it out in the sun, apply more product, and then cover it with plastic bags. Alright, you can see how I apply liberally into the leather, the product, leatheric, and then I cover it with the plastic bag. It's super hot outside. It's gonna be like 92 degrees Fahrenheit, if not higher. So I'm gonna do the driver's seat now and then cover it and leave the car here for a few hours. Hopefully that will help the product penetrate into the leather. So this is an update. Let's see what happens. Alright, so the car is now outside. The two seats are covered. I'm gonna cover the dash with some cloth just to make sure that it doesn't get damaged. And we'll see in a few hours. I'll report back on what I see. Alright guys, it's the next day. I had to take the car inside yesterday because there were some thunderstorms. But you can see the seats are still covered with plastic and the dash is covered to protect it. I'm gonna get it out in the sun today again because it's pretty hot outside and that should help. And then on the engine bay, I got it all covered. I'm masking the area that I want to paint with the black accent paint. I'm gonna show it to you later. So I did some Dremel of some of the areas that were peeling and some of the rusty parts just to make it clean and nice. Gonna put some alcohol there to get it ready for paint. So let me get the car outside and get on with it. Okay, so the car is out. I'm masking as much as I can. I'm gonna be very careful in just painting the parts that need retouching and not the rest of it. This is the product I'm gonna use. It's a Rust-Oleum engine enamel. It's a high heat resistant. I've used it before in other cars. It's very good, very durable. So let's see how that goes. All right guys, it was great result. You can see all the parts that were rusty and the paint was flaking and coming apart. It's looking great now, and including some areas like the coolant reservoir here. It was in bad need of retouching, so I used that product too. All in all, I really recommend it. It looks great. Hopefully it will last. It's heat resistant, so I think it's gonna give new life to my engine cover. So now I'm gonna go check the seats and how they're doing in the intense heat today. It's like 95 degrees Fahrenheit outside. All right guys, I'm gonna leave the plastics in the seats for now, maybe for another week or so. The heat outside was helping. Definitely I can see the product being absorbed by the leather, so that's great. And then I'm gonna provide an update in a future video. There's gonna be another video in this series because I'm gonna restore some of the black scuff marks in the leather console there, with some black paint for leather. I hope that goes well. And also the handbrake, you can see that it's peeling off the chrome part, so I'm gonna try to repaint that with some chrome like paint. That's gonna be quite scary, but I'm gonna try to do it without removing it. And then I'm gonna leave it there. The engine is looking great. Like I said, all of the nasty bits there were restored, and I'm feeling pretty happy about it. So let's leave it there. Until then, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you around again soon. Take care.